191 people paid him $500 each, making him $95,500 in just 19 days.
Hey guys, I wanted to show you something kind of cool. A little bit of a humble brag, but yeah, so I'm opening this gym in kind of the middle of nowhere. Doesn't really look like.
Do you know this guy? Alex Hormozi, the young Alex Hormozi.
It's like a residential kind of neighborhood, kind of sketchy, but I want to show you something. So even though, you know, don't let your circumstances make you feel like you're like you can't sell. Usually it's just your pitch. It's like, how sketchy does this look, right?
Hey, don't worry about pitch. Don't worry about selling. If you are at a 9 to 5 and you want to maybe quit your day job, maybe earn extra income from home, maybe you want to use AI and make more money, this video is just for you. And if at any point you think it's too much or a lot of information and a lot of confusion, don't worry about it. Just go to moshbari.com or scan this QR code or click the link in the description and watch this free video. We will show you how we run our digital marketing business, and we will show you how beginner 9 to 5ers just like yourself are earning $450, $500, $650, $947 in passive affiliate commissions with a 99% done for you system. Go and watch this training, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me on Instagram or Facebook, and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Let's keep watching.
I'd be sketched out. So people are coming up these stairs. They're like, oh my God, what am I doing? This looks so sketchy. Look at these bars and these windows. Oh my God, what am I getting into? Like, what is this? Like, I'm saying, yeah, this is gonna be a gym. It's gonna be amazing. Look, we got some stuff here. Here's a bathroom that I don't even know. Here's some stuff. Here's some stuff. What's going on? Hold on. So the other side is like, wait, is it an apartment? I don't even know. Is it? Sort of. It's like in the middle of the living room. There's some paintings on the wall. And this is it, right? But somehow, here's the cool part. These are all $500 bills. So, you can sell wherever you want. So, don't let that stop you.
Now, to be honest, I have absolutely no idea that all those $500 bills came from this particular gym, or he's just showing generic results from all his efforts. But what's most important here for me is that this video was 6 years old. What does that mean, Mosh? It means this guy has been posting content since last 6 years. So if you see 3.49 million subscribers on his YouTube channel and millions of other followers and subscribers on his other channels, he didn't do it overnight. In fact, this gym launch thing, what he's doing here and showing results of, that was not also overnight success. You should actually read the $100 million offer that you can find here just to spend a few bucks and download it from Audible and listen to the audio version. Before he started making $100 million a year, his business, his most successful business was this gym launch business. Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Now, here's a couple of things. Alex had gym launch business, which was a great success. Then the question is, why did Alex kept making content? What do you think? What's your answer? Write in the comment. I will tell you my reason. When Alex started gym launch, Facebook ads were cheap, and he mentioned this multiple times. Cheap Facebook ads was his unfair advantage. So he got leads at a very, very cheap price. So when he sold those $500 offers and more from the customers, he made tons of money. But Alex has always been a visionary. So he knew that this Facebook ad thing will not be cheap anymore, because a lot of people are copying his model, other models, running paid advertisement, making the ad cost through the roof. So Alex never stopped making these contents. Here is another video published 3 years ago. Here's another video published 3 years ago. Let's go to this one. Look at him. Even 3 years ago, he had these nose strips. But back then, look at the quality of the video. Look at his face position. I mean, literally, anyone knows about how to position your head, how to focus, where to focus. What does that mean? It means he had time to shoot the video, but he didn't have time to perfect it. So he just recorded anyways. Here's another one, 2 years ago. Pretty shaky video. And it is not from his own channel, it is from acquisition.com, his company's channel. Traveling somewhere, probably a private jet, whatever. Here's another video 1 year ago. Podcast. Alex has 3,700 videos. Go to videos and click oldest. Yeah, I think this is his first video. 500,000 views. And then next video 4 years ago. So either he deleted a lot of videos or he did not post videos for like 2 years. And look at how he looked 4 years ago. Look at how blurry, ugly. Listen to the sound.
I see so many gym owners make the exact same mistake again and again, and it's forgetting how to position stuff to sell. Big picture, typically the biggest ones for service-based facilities.
Look how blurry it is.
And March, and I think that's just
like
kind of the
extreme level of ugliness.
New Year's resolution
360p.
for big box gyms where they actually sell memberships. January tends to be the biggest month.
I mean, when he shot this video, he is already rich. He speaks in the events. He received $10 million award. I mean, what? Still his video is 360 pixel? I mean, he just shot the content.
Allow you to sell more people into your gym, more people in your programs, etc.
And after all these, only one of his videos got 4.3 million views. And that's also just 1 year ago. Another one, 3.9 million views. I remember I watched this one. This was really interesting. 1 year ago. So after all these years of posting content, he got 3 million views, 4 million views just a year ago. What do we learn from this? Your content will continue to work, whether it goes viral or not. And you need to keep making content whether you make money or not. Is because you need attention to your business. You need marketing, you need traffic, you need visitors. Without this, there is no money anywhere. So let's say you posted a video and that video didn't go viral. That's okay. There are hundreds of other content creators are joining the content economy, just like yourself, every single day. And the first few days to first few weeks, they work with their full power. They start pumping content, uploading every day, 2 to 3. And guess what? Those content are like this, just like your first content. Ugly, unedited, probably 0 views. Even if you keep making amazing videos for a couple of days, you're not getting any clicks, no leads anywhere. But guess what? Most of those content creators will quit before you even blink. Because shooting a video or a content takes motivation. Just one motivation and you go and shoot your first content. Maybe your first 10 content. But in order to stay consistent and consistently pumping out new content takes discipline. Do you remember school? You go to school and you follow discipline. You wake up in the morning, get yourself ready, go to school, attend the classes, take notes, come back home, no complaint. After spending 12 to 16 years in the school, you get your 9 to 5. Now, if just to get your 9 to 5, you needed to spend 12 to 16 years in the school with complete discipline. What do you think you need in order to make $500 per day working from home, using your internet connection, and probably using the top technology right now, AI, and your mobile phone? You definitely need attention for your business in order to make you money, and you need discipline. So what you talking about, Mosh? You want me to continue making content without making any money? No, not that. In fact, you are definitely going to make money. There are 2 known words in the world of internet marketing. One is traffic, that we already know. Another one is conversion. And the conversion range in internet marketing is usually 1% to maximum 5%, which means 1% to 5% of all the traffic for all the browsers becomes buyers or convert into buyers. And the remaining 95 to 99% will wait. Wait until what? Until they have a conversation with you. It's no longer conversion. It will take a conversation with you. For example, in my Instagram, tons of people send me DMs. These are conversations. They ask me questions. And all of a sudden, people like this person reach you out and say, I watched the free training, I have some questions, I want to know more information about your program or whatever you're selling. And after the conversation, getting answers from you or your team, they invest in what you are offering. So conversation. This conversation makes the whole conversion thing obsolete, because this conversion is before the conversation. After the conversation starts to happen, conversion numbers are no longer important. What's important now is every single visitor, whether they purchase from you or not, are having some type of conversation with you, equals $8. So 1,000 visitors makes you $8,000. And you can pretty much see the reflection of these numbers. We got 11,000 visitors on this offer and made $97,518. So when we make these contents and we add a simple call to action, we say, hey, if you want to learn more, or if you want 1, 2, 3, 4 results, then go to this website, check the link in the bio, check the link in the description. Those call to actions get some people to visit our website. Not everyone. Some people visit our website. They see the training, they see the offer, and they come back asking questions. Questions means conversation. And a conversation turns into conversion. This type of conversion makes you far more money than any other form of marketing or sales or whatever you call it. Because when you have a conversation with someone, you build trust. All right, I'm actually giving you a lot of information. I don't want to confuse you. All I wanted was to inspire you by showing Alex Hormozzi's oldest video and then his later videos where he just sat in a room and kept rumbling with low quality recording with just his webcam and a crappy microphone without a proper lighting. Look at where the light is. The light is coming through the window behind him. I mean, don't you think he had the ability to buy a proper light or just hire someone to set up a studio for him? It's a simple studio, simple form of lights and background and nothing else. No, he didn't bother. He just kept going. That consistency created today's Alex Hormozzi. Now, I have a question for you. Did you know about all this? Did anyone share this with you before? In this angle? I'm sure no one did, because what I did is unique. This is from my brain, my thoughts, my experience, from my research, whether it makes you sense or not. If you just continue to take action, you will get results no matter what. But for that, you need a system. You need something to sell that Alex always had. You need to learn the art of conversion and conversation. You need someone who can explain you these things. So you need a mentor and you need a program where other people are following the same system, same program. They have the same questions, same doubts, same issues. There is a complete step-by-step course where you can learn everything. There is a community where people hang out, ask questions, get their questions answered by an 8-figure mentor, and all the technical works are completely done for you by experts. And if you think you need something like this is the right place. Go to moshbari.com or scan the QR code or click the link in the description or the bio, depending on where you're watching this from, and watch this training. You will understand everything step by step, and you will learn how we help busy 9-to-5ers just like yourself earn this kind of passive affiliate commissions with a 99% done for you system. That training video is completely free to watch. You do not have to pay anything to watch that training, but at the end you will learn about our program. So yes, go ahead and I will see you in the training. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family, because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.